exhibitors spend an average of 8.3 hours visiting trade show booths at a trade show. That's more than enough time for you to communicate with prospects, introduce them to your products, and gather the contact information you need to turn them into marketing qualified leads. But before you can start establishing relationships with your visitors, you have to first attract them to your booth. It is very difficult to stand out among the many big star companies and fancy booths. So we summarize as 6 strategies. You can take these strategies to create unique and novel trade show booth, make you fight in the exhibition brands, to the customer. It is our obligation to add luster to your trade show booth as a solution provider. If you have no idea on the exhibition booth design, you may wish to try to subscribe to our channel. Customer satisfaction is our competence, and fresh and fashionable booths will be displayed on the channel to make you feel valuable. Of course, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section, or fill out the form below each video. We will reply to you promptly. 1. Use 3 bright colors to draw attention to your booth. Bright colors can create the atmosphere of the exhibition, and it is easier to attract the attention of exhibitors. They can make the exhibitors immediately identify your brand. Too little color may make people feel boring, but too much can easily be too flashy and feel like a distraction. Consider the age, gender, and culture of the target audience. Consider what the color you choose represents. The most important thing is to be sure to match the brand color, so that not only can avoid some unnecessary color trouble, but also can better convey your company's brand and information to customers. 2. Learn to leave blank. Whether it is art creation or photography composition, leave blank always needs to be considered. Of course, there is a cost to buying the trade show booth, and you want to maximize the use of your space to your advantage. But that doesn't mean every inch of the booth is filled with graphics, furniture, and booth light boxes. Leave blank helps balance your display, creates a more visually appealing display, and draws clients' attention to your most important information. A good rule of thumb is to ensure that about 40% of the booth is empty. The arch-type trade show booth have always been an option to save space, while placing some tables and chairs below as a business conversation table.